name is Victor Diaz Huerta. I work in Casino Fama in Facilities Department. I just want to tell you about how I got here to the United States. I born in Mexico. I went to school there, and I came around 13 years old. My father came here before, and then he decided to bring me and my mom. But we have a hard time to get here because we didn't have no legal papers to cross the border. Then my dad decided to hire somebody. They call them coyotes, you know, and he paid that person to bring us over. But what happened, because my dad only had a permit, he got an amnesty, and we got lost. And then the guy who tried to cross us over, he said, wait for us over here. You know, there were like 5 guys that trying to cross a bunch of people together. Then they got caught by the immigration, and we stay alone. And then my mom said, we go back, or we go the way we're supposed to go, but we didn't know where to go. And somebody else said, let's go, just keep going and see, we're just gonna go over those hills. And then we just keep going, you know, and we were lost. We don't know where to go. We're just going back and forward, you know. And then my mom decided to just keep going, say, just go straight, and we just walk straight. And other guy was with us. He's saying, oh, let's go this way. But we didn't trust the guy. But then the immigration came over again, right on the hills going down, and then the helicopter came around. And then they got the other people. My mom said, sit down here. We just sit down and one on a bush, and we just stay there. And then we see, you know, the sun was starting coming up. So like right now, right there. And then we start walking just down, my mom and I, and then my mom said, you know, I cannot walk because she had problem with the knees. And then my mom said, just go and try find help.
Take your time.
Sorry, but I don't feel that good when I remember that. Then I said, no, Mom, I stay with you. We stay together. If they take us, we're going back. If not, we just keep walking. And we walk down, we went down to the freeway, and then my dad would think he worried about us because we didn't get to the place we were supposed to get early. Then he looks for us, and they find us. Then we cross the border. And we got here. When we got here, you know, I was supposed to go to school, and I didn't go to school for 3 years. No. I finished over there 6th grade, then I went to high school. I went to Power High, and when I went for my first day, it was like, I was listening to what they're saying, but I understand what they're saying. No. And I was like blind. I can see, but I was blind at the same time. I was in the school, just sitting on the class. Didn't understand what they're saying. My first day was like, and then somebody came and said, have you eat? I said, yes, I eat. I'm hungry, but I don't know how to ask for my food. And then I started learning English, a little bit by little bit. It was hard for me to learn English. But I finished high school, and I graduated from high school. I got my diploma. It was the first in my family. But what's something else in there too? What happened is my dad put application for me to get papers. Right? My dad had his papers, then my mom and my dad applied for us, you know. But I didn't get my papers, I just got a permit. Took me from 1993 to 2011, I got my residency. Yes. And
not
right now,
the case.
I'm waiting for 2 more years and I can be a citizen. And right now, I'm working for Casino Bama, and we're trying to get the union because a lot of things happen. It's going on in there. I see a lot of injustice, the management, and we don't have, raises for around 4 years. I think they should just start giving a 2% raise. And the cost of living is so high right now. Like $8 an hour is nothing. We cannot survive with that. We need 2 jobs. Most of the people who's working now, we got 2 jobs, sometimes 3 jobs. We do whatever we can do to get some money. Yeah. That's all I want to tell you. Just thank you.
Thank you.